Nguga is now dealing with Uzweletu. He was involved in a car accident, but there's no record of it. Thandiswa thinks that he was bewitched, but Uzweletu does not believe it. She goes to sue Usonganga. Songanga confirms that there's a dark spirit involved and it's too dangerous. That's why Ustene hambile. Jackson is happy that his enemies are falling like cockroaches. Ngwekdala is going to get back his depot and mayorship. Petrina goes live to address the addiction rumors, and Usakile is offering his support. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Smoke and Mirrors. Uzweletu was involved in a car accident. He thinks he saw someone while driving at night. Atushayisa umuntu, but there's no record of that. Even imoto yakhe does not show that ushayisa umuntu. But yena uMabokoboko ulimele ukuthi i-accident is like iyenzeke kuyena kuphela. You can just see ukuthi imisebenzi kaNgcuka le. Now he's so confused. Uthandiswa thinks there's a dark spirit involved, but yena akakholwa. He goes and to the police station to find out if there's anyone who reported a case yokuthi ushayiswe imoto or anything. The police confirmed that, hey, there's no such here. There's no record of that. I've checked everything. Manje he's starting to wonder, he goes to the depot and everyone is just saying, we are so glad we are pila, we are so worried about you. But the into eqakayo ukuthi imoto yakhe i-right, no scratch, nothing but ushayisa umuntu. Into esididayiyo leyo doesn't make sense at all. Azathi uTim ayikufuna uhlabela amadlozi wena because it seems like it's a miracle ukuthi uyaphila. Uzweletu insists ukuthi he did hit someone, mhlambe isilwane, but he did hit something. Thandiswa decides to go see Usonganga because yena uyakholelwa ukuthi there's something going on, like khona into off. Songanga tells her ukuthi ikhona into dangerous le nto le bengasi accident kuphela, and yena akafuni nje usihlanganisa naye because le nto inobungozi, it's too dangerous. He even told the owner ye-hotel uStan ukuthi le nto ebhekane naye it's strange, it's very dangerous, inamandla amaningi, yena akafuni nje ukuzingena. And nothandiswa noZweletu, they must not fight it, abahambe nje bavele banyamalale la. Yo, Uthandiswa is so confused. Ngapha Jackson is happy ukuthi uZweletu was in a car accident, celebrating ukuthi manje izitha zakhe they're falling like cockroaches. Bayawa ngathi ama-cockroach kungekudala. And how uMartha is concerned because do you think ukuthi this is because of the sacrifice imisebenzi kaNgcuka yini? Athi of course, bazowa bonke la. Ngathi kudala I'm going to get back i-depot ne-mayorship position yami. Bazoyehla uZweletu noSakhile. Oh my God, I'm so worried about Sakhile. After Uzweletu bazolanda uSakhile naye bamhlukubeze uNgcuka. Now uMartha says ukuthi, do you think ukuthi uPetrina is a junkie uthatha idakamizwa? uPhilile was like, hayi man, you must be, ungamzwelani naye. Athi ngizwelana naye njani because now I used to live in a shack, but I had to put on my big girl panties and deal with it. Naye kadila nale simo, she wanted to be famous. Manje nako so dila nako, she's trending. Petrina is now worried ukuthi yazi akazi uzoqhubeka kanjani. People think that uthatha idakamizwa kube yena nje kube kumaphilisi ama-painkillers. Now she does not even know how to cope with this whole thing. Feel out une craving because she was so used to taking lama-painkillers wakhe. Akwazi nokuthi ayeke kanjani. But now they're thinking ukuthi uzohamba ke aye ku-rehab. Now she's worried ukuthi usatrenda namanje. Usakhile warns her ukuthi ungaphizi fundana lama-comments, they're going to mess you up. She decides, let me just do a live man and clarify the air. Ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakaleni ngami. She clarifies, goes live and clarifies ukuthi akathathi idakamizwa. It was painkillers that she started when she got the leg injury ngendaba kaMabizela. Remember when she was pushed and injured her leg, and then since then she's been taking them and she couldn't stop because when mamenza afile kahle akwazi ukulala. But her husband knew nothing about it, so they must not bangamgqeki. Sakhile says ukuthi she's supporting his wife and uzo start rehab. Sakhile is such a supportive partner, hey. And eDepot ke uTiny keeps on busy no team saying ukuthi yezini team, I'm so over you, ngifuna ufake engqondweni yakhe ukuthi mina nawe sihlukene, angisakufuni uqhubeka nje nenkosikazi wakho okuchithelayo. You're in front of the other guys eDepot bazobathi wena uSithimo siyoyoyo wena uya kanjani umfazi onje for inkosikazi okuchithelayo. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.